Today I'm going to show you how to repair a fiberglass or composite chainmail Bote paddleboard. We have some cracking around the insert for the fin. We have a few spots that need a little bit of touch up here. Stick around. You want to create a tape outline of where we're going to lay in the epoxy and fiberglass mat. See, I gave myself a little extra room. And we're going to come in and cut out the location where the fin's going to come through. We'll have one piece of fiberglass. We'll lay down the epoxy, embed the fiberglass, and then a layer of epoxy on top of that. Now that I have this all laid out, I'm going to measure halfway down the channel. You sort of feel the end of the channel there. So that's 10 inches. So we're going to measure 5 inches down, which is right here, and mark along this edge here, just on 1/2. What that'll do is it'll make it easy to cut out. We'll fold the pattern in half, cut it with a nice sharp pair of scissors. You probably actually want to take a little bit more than right on the line, so we have an edge. It's pretty good. Got to widen our ends a little bit. All right, that's about good right there. You can just see the ends and a little bit of black around the edge of the plastic. Next are calls to sand with 80 grit sandpaper. Let's wipe it down with some isopropyl alcohol. Now the product calls to flame treat the plastic if it's a certain kind of plastic, but also says if you're unsure, you'll always benefit from flame treating. So we're going to go ahead and do that. It says with a torch. I'm not going to do a torch on this just because it's such thin gel coat here. So I'm going to use a simple lighter. It says go about 12 inches per second, which I'm not going that fast just because I'm not using a torch. It says you'll see no physical change, but it oxidizes the surface and dramatically helps. All right, we're going to mix equal parts of the resin and the hardener. I'm not sure how much we'll need, but we'll just see what we get. Maybe we'll start with that. It says you have about 45 minutes to work this once you mix it. think I'll probably need more than this. All right, now we're going to pack it into the areas that are cracked first. You can see it sort of soaking into the surface a little bit. We want to get it in here real good because that's where it's separated. Pack it in there. Get a little fillet on the edge there. Perfect. I'm going to get about a 1/16 of an inch bed to lay the fiberglass in. Choose a credit card or a hotel room key now. And just wipe it over the area. Alright, now we're going to set down our fiberglass. Position. It's soaking through real good. I thought it'd be harder to soak through, but it's not. You can visually see the cloth get wet when it's soaked through. Okay. Keep this pushed up near the edge of this opening, but not too much. Alright, let's mix up a little more and we'll apply some on top. This 655 is supposed to create a waterproof seal. Kind of squeegeeing it onto the tape. I feel like I'll remove the tape before it sets. Hopefully create a nice clean edge. I think the small tube that they sell, or the small packets, would be too small for this size. This is the 225 milliliter, I think it is. Tube's about $35. Don't have too much spilling over. Just trying to find any little holes or anything. This is looking good. I think I'm going to be happy with that. We'll stop there. Now I'm taking the tape off before it sets. It's probably been about 20 minutes since I've mixed it, maybe 30. Oh, that's not good. I have to touch that up. Let's get some scissors, maybe. See if that will work. Alright, there's enough on here to It just pushes right back down, no big deal. I'm going to do a second set around these side skegs just for added support. Okay, here we are with the final product. It's been about a little over a day. Feels real solid and does have a little bit of a yellow tint to it. I'm not sure if there's any way to get away from that. So now I'm just kind of going around. You can kind of see there's some little hang-off pieces that were the fibers of the fiberglass that got a little resin on it that I didn't want to mess with while it was wet. So I'll end up going around and kind of clipping some of those off with the razor blade. I'll end up trimming up the little hairs that hang over the plastic there too. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but I chose the 655 because of the plastic inserts into the fiberglass. 655 is the only one that listed plastic as a medium that it could adhere to. Here's the final product out in the light. Pretty happy with how this turned out. Be a lot stronger in those areas. And it wasn't real hard to do.